Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Vivian Hugh, formerly known as Rain and Sunshine, and I'm coming back at you with some drag makeup. It's been a second. I've grown slightly older, and we're in the midst of a worldwide pandemic. So I thought it was the perfect time to post a video of me doing some drag makeup. You know, as you do. Yeah, I mean, this is a pretty simple look, and it's a pretty short video, but I had a lot of fun. I haven't really recorded myself doing makeup in a while, as you can probably tell. But I really do like the look I did today, even if my eyebrows are very oatmeal-y, but in my defense, we are being quarantined, and I can't exactly go to Walmart to buy a disappearing purple glue stick. So I'll make do. But yeah, I wanted to make another video to kind of update people that actually watch these videos on what my drag looks like right now. This is the end of the video, so I'm going to say goodbye, but I hope you stick around. I'll probably be posting more in the future. Probably.